In today's show, my dear viewers, I'm gonna help you a lot with one special recipe that can remove your dandruff from your scalp. In my special recipe, we're gonna make it with something called ginger, you will not believe it, also with olive oil and something called tea tree oil. Now listen to me carefully, I'm gonna give you my special recipe. Ginger anti-inflammatory actions eases the itching associated with dandruff. Olive oil imparts natural moisture to the dry, flaky skin. Tea tree essential oil lends a hand by killing fungus. Makes one treatment: 1 palm-sized piece fresh ginger, peeled, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 drops of tea tree essential oil. Procedure: use a garlic press or juicer to extract as much juice from ginger as you can. In a small bowl, combine a ginger juice, olive oil, and the tea tree essential oil. Wet your hair and apply the entire remedy to the scalp. Massage gently, then leave the treatment in the place for 15 minutes. When finished, rinse your hair thoroughly with the cool water, following up with your favorite shampoo or conditioner. Repeat this treatment 2 or 3 times weekly until the dandruff is gone. If yours hair dry, avoid exposing your scalp to the high heat. And this is unbelievable blend from 3 natural remedies that can help you a lot with your dandruff. Before we continue with the show, my dear viewers, I want to recommend you my new book that is called Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 1. It's officially on sale in Croatian and English. You can buy the book now through a MarioLab.hr website. In the book you will learn more about the rich history of the use of plant in healing. You will learn how to grow your own medicinal plants, discover how to properly use natural medicine, with advice on dosage, possible side effects, and drug interaction. Miracle Natural Remedies Part 1 is an ideal guide to using natural medicine in the fight against the worst diseases of modern world in very natural way. If you want to learn my special recipe for one perfect natural shampoo that can help you a lot with your scalp, also with your hair, click here on this little window. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.